This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Giovanna Fernandez. One of the largest mobile homes in the area. Open floor plan allows great opportunities for entertaining. Being a corner lot, there is tons of yard space, with 2 coconut palms. Get ready for some Coco Frios. Association cuts the grass, so no need for upkeep. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit with a D, and the den has custom shelving installed, perfect for an office space for remote workers. 2 dedicated parking spaces immediately next to home, along with a paved area on the front side. Quiet community with great amenities, pool, playground, clubhouse, and so on. Unit comes as is. Owner will likely perform some updates to the home, but this will possibly come early January 2023. For more information, review the details below.